Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your video looks glitchy on CapCut. So import your video and then split the video where you want the glitches to be. Okay. Split it like this. And after that, click on the transitions, this box right here, and then here find the glitch category, and you can just use which one of the glitch that you want. So I'm going to use this glitch. Click on that, and then here click on apply to all. Okay, click on the check icon, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.